Hello and welcome as we head into Friday, the 28th day of April, 2017. Let's take a quick look at the Bitcoin chart, which is in the area now of its previous high. And from this previous high, it had a good correction, which is very important to note. I've heard this saying before, you don't want to buy things at all-time highs, and this thing is breaking it and it's at 1400, 1410. I would not be saying such. I'd be saying the opposite in this case. For when I look at charts, you go to a key level, and an all-time high is usually always a key level. You have a good correction, and you see this movement that follows that when you're breaking such, you don't expect to make like just a little small, like 5% gain or anything. No. You're expecting a lot more. So myself, if I happen to be looking at this as something I would be trading in and out of, it's actually a base currency for myself, but I would not be putting many sell orders in here. I came up with a calculation before in the 1700s area based on when a market's been going up like this, it has its correction high divided by low to the exponent of 1.618, multiply the low, and that number gets 1700 and change. As far as where I would be putting buy orders in, if this was one, I would be looking towards this area here, especially as where were you? Are you going to come back? And that's oftentimes in charts. You came from this resistance area, you make your push higher. Now you're going to try to establish the higher low. Where's the perfect place for a higher low? Previous resistance. So that would be the area in which I would be looking to see if an area for support would come in, because oftentimes in patterns like this, that would be the case. And again, breaking above this 18 average band, I look at this band as a correctionary phase. It's leaving its correction and it's doing its primary upward trend at this moment. So therefore, what's the odds of topping here? You know what? I got to say, if you're talking about not going up for a while, having some sort of small price correction at least, going sideways for a bit, I'd say pretty darn near decent. Because one of the things I notice is whenever you go to a significant area and you have a good retracement, manage to come back, it's not usually the first time there you're going to take it out. So having a correction back here wouldn't be a surprise. But regardless of if it has its correction and then breaks higher past this level, or if it even does it now, when I'm seeing price action in the high 1300s, low 1400s, I'm going to fully expect that this bullish momentum to continue to keep going forward, and that will be the conclusion for tonight's video, and I'll talk to you later on. Bye-bye.